Hey everybody, it's Toxic here, and welcome back to another episode of Alec Jr., our ranged weapon playthrough. So, haven't done this in about a month. I don't really remember where we left off. I guess, okay, so we were, alright, I can't use the Book of Skulls. Okay, so I think where we left off, we were in the middle of a goblin invasion. Yep, looks like it. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab some musket bullets quickly, because my guns are a lot stronger than my bows, usually. Alright, so maybe about 500 would be good. So let's just wait. Okay, so let's stop at 500, and then we'll go back to fighting the invasion. Boom, okay. I feel like the mini shark is gonna go through bullets too fast, because I don't have very many of them. I might actually go back to using my bow, because it was using Jester's arrows. Oh no. Okay, so I just have to remember that I don't have a cloud in the bottle yet. I keep on thinking that I do, and then it messes me up, so... Alright, they're gonna break my door, so I might as well open it for them. Alright, so... I don't actually have a progress bar, so I don't know how many goblins are left, or like how far I am in the invasion. But hopefully I'm pretty far, because like it's boring to watch. Whew. Let's zoom ahead. Goblins defeated, except for these two. But I did actually just run out of Jester's arrows, which is kind of sad, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, since I haven't been on it for like a month, I would like to see if I've killed Skeletron yet, which I'm pretty sure I have, but I might as well check just in case. Okay. So, alright. So I did mention this before, I'm pretty sure, but I'm doing an expert playthrough, like off camera, on my PC. So I'm used to having like a cloud in the bottle and rocket boots, which I don't have on this playthrough, so it's kind of weird. I don't even know. Okay, so it doesn't look like the dungeon is actually to this side, but I sense a meteor nearby. I don't know what my first hint was, but oh look, there it is. There it is. Found the meteor, and now Shay wants to settle down. Okay, let's make some sticky bombs. Replace the bomb. Oh, it slows me down. Ooh, that was a nice shot. Thank you, Scotty. No. Alright, there. Okay, so I think we got all we need. We didn't really even need meteorite anyways, but who cares? Ugh. Gosh. Okay. I'm gonna have to use my grapple. Oh, it does look like we have a cobalt shield, so we did already kill Skeletron. Okay. Let's go back to base. I'll see you there. Alright, we're back here at base. So, since we have already killed Skeletron, it doesn't seem to be that we have killed Queen Bee yet, so let's just check in case. So far it doesn't. Oh, does this drop from Queen Bee? No, you get it from jungle chests, if I recall. So, no, it doesn't look like we have killed Queen Bee yet. Which is kind of sad. We still have Christmas stuff in our inventory. So I obviously haven't done this in a while. Please, give me a dog whistle. No! I got all the bad stuff. I'll just hold on to my blocks. Okay. So I guess since I haven't killed Queen Bee yet, I might do that, but there's actually not really anything we can get from her except for the bee mount, but we don't really need that. Yeah, so because the bee's knees isn't in the mobile version, so I don't think there's really anything we can get from Queen Bee, so let's just skip her, because why not? And let's just like cut straight to the wall, wall of flesh. Boom. Oh, I have an umbrella. Sorry if my voice is a little bit, strange and I'm yawning a bit. It's just, it's a lot earlier than I normally record my videos. AM. A lot, earlier than I record my videos, AM. That's what the time is right now. E. Normally I record at 7 or even after school sometimes, but I used to record at 6, but stuff, and then I started getting sleep better, and then hi stylist. Oh, and then it was a dead end, and then I got really sad. Okay, so let's, oh no, wall creeper. No, I don't like those. I don't like those things. I mean, I know they're not too strong, but like, I mean, I guess I'm used to playing on expert mode where like wall creepers are like so bad. But I guess I'm just gonna have to find another route down. And it looks like this is that route. Or maybe not. Okay, so as you can see, I'm lost. I don't know, okay, this is confusing. Wow, I'm confusing myself with my own elevator. Or could you even call this a elevator? I guess not. So, we have to go here. According to the map. I'm a map. Ah. Alright, somebody make me a meme. Like, edit me saying I'm a map on like the freaking B movie or something. Ah, no. Ah, keep that. Don't worry, I know how to handle this professionally. I just got lucky. Alright. Ooh, Goblin Tinker. That's fun. He hasn't even been hit yet. He's completely flawless. Kill that bat. Let's see, have we been in that chest yet? Yep. Thank you for freeing me and blah blah blah. How much money do I have? No, I want to see how much money I have. 22 gold. Wow. I'm rich. So 5 plus 10, that's only 15, so let's get this stuff. Rocket boots. I mean, I guess I'll replace my... I can't replace that shackle. Because it gives me so much defense. Wait. Oh, yeah. I was about to say, if the buff only gives it 3 defense, then how come I'm getting 4 from it? But then shackles always apply at least 1 defense. Okay, so this is all just movement speed, but I can use this to make the eyelet. I can use it to make spectre boots later. Or not spectre boots, lightning boots. How do I make spectre boots again? I don't know, I was just making them on my... Oh, it's Tim! Tim has arrived and dumped himself in lava. Rip Tim. 2014 to 2011. Oh, look, some free candy canes. Oh, why'd I come down here again? What was I doing? I forget. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Was I gonna kill the wall of flesh? I hope not. That would have been a bad idea. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Poor Scotty. Poor Alec JR. Alright, I'm going home. Peace. Alright. So, we got a Tinker's Workshop, which we can put here. And then now we have to remember how to make spectre boots. I think oh my gosh. Oh, and the worst part is that on a mobile the guide doesn't help. Eek. How do I make spectre boots? Hopefully it'll just show up and teach me. Teach me your ways. Oh, I can make that. Can't I? Can I not? I can make the tiger climbing gear. I just need climbing claws, I think, or shoe spikes. Here we go. Oh, it auto-equipped them. Of course it did. Okay. I thought I saw something that looked useful. Oh, fishing pole. Yeah, that's what I saw. I thought it was a fishing duck sitting pole. Sitting duck's fishing pole. What? Where is my ninja gear? Oh, there it is. I found it. Alright, now I have to put this in my inventory and remind myself how I make this item. Do I need... right. I need Hermes boots. Hermes boots. I have them. What? No, I have Hermes boots. Do I not? Huh. Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna have to go find me some Hermes boots, and then I'll see you guys when I do. Okay, so we've come across something, we haven't found Hermes boots yet, but we've come across something, like, really awesome. We've come across 4 life crystals over screen at once. Now, obviously, this is just luck. Something just shot me. I think it was a dart trap. But there is a wild man-eater after me, so that's gonna die, because nothing goes after me. Alright, so, sadly, we have reached the end of the world. So, we're just gonna, well, we just got 4 life crystals in, like, 1 minute. So let's just use 3 of them, and then now we've got full life. Wow. Wink. Dead memes intensify. Alright, so we're just looking for underground caves. And oh my gosh, is this the beehive? This thing is gigantic. Holy poop. Oh my goodness. It's so big. Oh no, I accidentally threw a bunch of extra bombs. That's gonna make me get swarmed. Haha. Bee's gonna kill me. Alright, are all of them dead? Yeah, I hope so. Oh my goodness though, this hive is gigantic. I have never seen a hive so huge. Oh my gosh, I am actually stunned. And I'm also about to run out of bullets. So hopefully our pickaxe can kill off these bees relatively quickly. Okay. So let's just take a moment to admire how ginormous this is and how it has two larvae, a giant pool of honey, and it's like the dream hive right here. Hopefully I don't accidentally break one of the larvae, because like I don't have any jester's arrows or anything. I'm like completely ill prepared for this fight, and I have a feeling that I may have just jinxed myself. Alright, luckily we did just fire an arrow, but it just barely missed that larvae, which is good. But oh my gosh, it doesn't even fit on the screen. Holy poop. That's like the biggest, that's like the size of the entire jungle. Wait, what? I accidentally shot a bullet. Did you guys see that? I accidentally fired a bullet and broke that larvae. Oh no. What'll I do? Guys, somebody save me. I need a doctor. I wasn't ready. Oh no, what arrows do I have? Do I have any fire? I mean, I have hellfire arrows, but I mean, I guess I'll just use them. Oh no, now I'm out of hellfire arrows. Now I have nothing. I have nothing. Ah, I've been defeated. Alright, that's GG. Queen Bee, well played. Alright, I'm going home. Is my game about to crash? If it is. Yep. Alright, so my Chinese Terraria has just stopped working. But I guess I'll just call that an episode. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching this. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like. Also subscribe for more content just like this. Stay amazing, stay toxic, and I'll see you guys soon.